Trading is like a battle, and you're the one calling the shots. You can either come out on top or give up. It's up to you. It's a tough business, but it's also a chance for you to become your own boss and make serious money. By the way, if you have no idea about trading, check out the link in my bio and thank me after you got your free ebook. Stay strong and take charge of your own success.
And it looks like the portfolio is going to be starting out down this morning. Starting out in the red. And it's down with a lot of volatility in the market this morning. And it's trading at or investing at $21,250. And I'd like to welcome you guys back to WealthWiseGuru. Top of the morning to you. I'm your host, John Shaft. And it is Thursday morning, September the 27th, 2024. And as you can see, we have quite a bit of green this morning. But still, the overall stock seem to be down in some areas. Let's take a look at the visitor. And the visitor is down this morning by $1.40. And I have a market value of $9,000, and that's with 74 shares. And I still have 10 option strategies in place on the visitor. And right now they are negative $1,058. And with the return of the day is $97. Sometimes when it comes to stocks like this, you kind of have to wait them out when you're doing option trading. The visitor is very vital to stock. So it reminds me of Tesla back in the day. Tesla was also very vital to stock. 1 minute it'll be up, next minute it'll be down, the next minute it'll be selling off or going sideways. But it was a very vital to market stock, and it was, but at the same time, it was very profitable. And you can see Pioneer Technologies, I still say it's probably going to be the next Tesla. And it still is relatively pretty cheap to get into. It's at 37.37 a share. And I have 117 shares of it. And the value of it is a little over $4,000. And this is the beauty of finding such a stock like this, where you're able to get in on it before it actually gets too expensive. And see, this is what you guys want to do. You want to get in or try to find yourself a stock like Palantir and buy as many of it as you can. If you can buy as many of this as you can and get this up to about $5,000 shares. And then once you get up to 5,000 shares, you can turn around and make yourself an income off of this, simply by selling puts. You can sell puts, or you can sell cover calls. You can sell cover calls. You can sell cash secured puts on such a company as Palantir. And as you can see, Robinhood platform already have some of these strategies already laid out for you. So let's click on Bullish Cover Call, and let's go. Let's go out to just 38. And see, this one has a IV of 72.81. That's volatility. A chance of profit here is 84.88 cents. Has a volume of 1478 and has open interest of 18,552. Data is 18. The delta is 18. The data is 36.15. And so to see if I want to sell this, I can simply hit sell. And then you can type in however amount that you want to sell. Say if I sold 5, see, that would give me a credit of $34. Okay, if I sold 25, that would give me a credit of $149. And see, this is what happens when you have such a stock like this that you own, and you own a lot of it. So this is why it's important to get yourself a strategies and have one of these stocks like this into your portfolio, to where you want to build it way up, to where you have at least $5,000 or $10,000 shares of it. Then you can turn around and make yourself a whole lot of money, a second income, just off of doing puts, doing cover calls, or doing cash calls. But first, you have to build up your portfolio to where you have a particular amount of stocks in your portfolio. Most people have a hard time trying to build up their portfolio to where they have 100 shares. And so this is an opportunity here to where you can have 100 shares, and it does not cost you as much money. It's only 37, 32, 31. So imagine if this was $200-$300 or $500 or $800 or $900 per share. So you need like $20,000 or $30,000 just to be able to own 100 shares of it. So now it's the time to get in on Palantir Technologies. And that's when you make 100% of all your money. Is when you own a stock, and then you're trying to sell those stocks by way of a put, a cover call, or either a cash secured call. But first, you have to build up your portfolio in order to get to that point. And that's the stage I'm in now, of building, continually to build up my portfolio. Let's go to the S&P/Y and see what the S&P/Y is doing today. Looks like the S&P/Y is up this morning by 69 cents. So if you wanted to do, say the market was down, and you wanted to do a put, instead of doing a put on an individual stock, unless you know and did a lot of research on that individual stock, I would put a put on the S&P/Y 500, simply because in the S&P/Y 500, these are the companies that are in the S&P/Y 500, including Apple, Nvidia, a Meta platform, which is formerly Facebook, Berkshire Hathaway, Alphabet C, Microsoft, Amazon, then Alphabet Class A, Broadcom, and Lilly. So this is what's in the S&P 500. And it's technology, healthcare, communication service, consumer defense, utility, basic material, financial services, consumer critical and industry, energy, and real estate. So if you are new to the market and you're trying to figure out how and what to invest in, this is where you need to start in the S&P/Y 500. And whether the market is going up or whether the market is going down, you need to continually to invest. I know a lot of people call and they be saying they ain't making any money, and they just started maybe 2-3 months ago. Yeah, you're not gonna make any money. You just started 2 or 3 months ago, unless you started out with a whole lot of money that you put into it. It's not a quick get rich scheme overnight. It takes time to build up your portfolio to where you can and all being profitable. I am 10 years into the market and I'm still not rich. To build wealth, it takes time. It takes a lot of time, a lot of patience, and a lot of discipline. And it takes a lot of dedication. You have to keep on investing. Yeah, doing periodical investing when you feel like it, or investing in the green, it's going to take you a long time to build wealth. You have to constantly build, constantly invest in the market. So much so, especially when it's in the red, you have to continue to invest in the market. A lot of you want to invest once it's turned green. But now you need to be investing fully when it's in the red, so that it's turned green. That means it went up. And if it goes up, so does your profit. And to do otherwise is defeating the purpose. The stock market is a bullish stock, a bullish platform. It's constantly going up. And it's been in place for over 400 some years. If it wasn't going up, if you couldn't make money out of it, then people would not get into it. Like I said, it just takes time and patience and discipline, and continually to invest in these companies. And you are viewing another episode of WealthWiseGuru, and I'm your host, John Chaff. So where you see the market at today does not mean this is where the market's going to be next week from now, or 2 weeks from now, or 6 months from now, or a year from now. But the main thing is to continually to invest in the market. Building wealth is special when you're able to build generational wealth. It's a long process. Just like this Google, for instance, it's the alphabet A. I have 100 shares of it as well. And see, as long as I keep on buying and keep on investing in it, and that number keep going up, hopefully I can get that number. If I can get it to 500 to 1,000, I'll be doing good. If I get it to 5,000, man, I'd be doing terrific. See, once you get it to 5,000, then you have a wiggle room to play with it, and you can turn around and start selling some of those stocks in the form of a cover call, either a so you can turn around and cover call on their stocks, cash secured, long put, long call. You can also do vertical spreads, or it'd be a call debit spread, a call credit spread, a put debit spread, or a put credit spread. So a lot of strategies that you can do on these stocks. The main thing is start investing in yourself. That way you'll know what you are doing and how a particular strategy works. A lot of you are afraid to try anything. If you do not try anything, or if you do not get out of your comfort zone, then you will never realize the potential profit that you can get from some of these strategies. A lot of times I look at some of these strategies and I just go in and play around with them, just look at them, and just to see what would happen if I was to go in on them. And this is the last trading day of the week. As you can see, the chance of profit here is 47.454%. 2,652 contracts are in position. Then you have another 4,919 that are interested in this particular contract. The delta is at 88 and climbing, and the theta is 55.90. So if you was to buy this particular position, you will hit buy, and then you go up here and put the number contracts that you want, and then you put the limiting price, which is over here. You type in a limiting price, and this will cost you right now, if I was typing that one, it will cost $196. Then you can go down here and hit break even. Get a more of an outline of it. If it go bad, this is what all you can lose is $200. If it's good, this is what your profit could be. And so you would, let's see, I just want to look at it and see what happens. So see, that's just what I'm talking about. This is day trading warning. If I was to do this particular strategy, even though I haven't done any day trading in a while, still getting this warning up. So let's take a look at that and see why I'm getting a day trading warning. You get a day trading warning when you have a margin account, as I have, and your portfolio is under 25,000, which mine is at 21, and you can day trade. I think it's three of them within a trading period. If you have over 25,000 in your account, then you can day trade as many as often as you would like. So right now, I don't have any day trading warning, so I don't know why that came up. So, and a lot of you, when you first starting out, you'll have what you call a cash account. And if you can build up your cash account without messing with margins, you're doing good. It takes a long time to build up a cash account, and then you won't qualify for a margin account until you have at least $2,500 in your portfolio. And like I said before, a margin account is for when you have a small account and you're trying to grow that small account quicker to a larger account. And you can also have a joint account if you have a family member that's investing in the market, and you want to help them build up their account. As you can see, you can also have a joint account. At least you can in Robinhood. But we are looking at the last and final day of trading for this week. And like I said, you never close out any of these options right there in the red. If you want to close out an option, make sure you close out an option while it's in the green. A debit spread is due next month. I'm thinking about closing this one out. Let's see what it looks like. Already has made $30 for today. So if I was going to close out one, it would be probably this one. And you'll simply hit trade. You'll simply hit trade and you'll hit close. And then you type in a 1 up top there, or how many contracts that you have on this particular strategy. Then you come down here and hit 2.23. So you want this little message here to say likelihood. If it doesn't say high likelihood, then you want to put in different numbers until it does say high likelihood. And then this will be your credit for this particular strategy. So I'm not gonna do it right now, but I might do it. Later on in the day. I'm trying to give it a little bit more chance of profit. And this is Apple. I have 6.5 shares in Apple, and the value of it is $1,500. And I have 3 option strategies in place in Apple, and on the value of it is a little over $200. And this is, I believe this is Home Depot. The Home Depot is a wonderful blue chip company to have as well in your portfolio. I can't say anything but wonderful things about this particular company here, Home Depot. It's not a very volatile stock, and the stock in most cases very consistently So I have what you call a leap position, option position on it. And again, a leap is meaning you're going from 1 year to the next year. So this one actually expires 1/17/25, and I put it in place 9/18, which is early part of the month. And so far, I've made $415 off of it, and I still have quite a bit of ways to go to get more profit out of it. And so this company here is Reddit. It's trading at 66.96. This is also one for a company to have and invest in your portfolio. I have one option strategy within it, and it's almost $800. That's a great stock to have in your portfolio as well. Analyst rating right now is at 61% buy and 33% holding. And it's still fairly cheap, but it's getting to be expensive. So it's, like I said, it's a good time to have these particular stocks in your portfolio and build on them, because over time, over the period of time, man, these stocks, these companies are starting to get very expensive. And if you don't get in early in the game, you could actually be priced out of the market. So right now it's at 66.68. So imagine this stock here goes up to $500 or $1,000, and you're trying to get 100 shares of it. See, that's very, very expensive. And that's where we are at with Palantir Technology. Right now, Palantir Technology is a wonderful company to have in your portfolio, and it's still is at a reasonable price. See, look at the S&P/Y. See, the S&P/Y. In order for you to own 100 shares, you're going to pay $573.29 just to own 100 shares of it, and that's a lot of money. That's like $20,000-$30,000, and see, and probably even more than that. And see, a lot of us don't have that kind of money. A lot of retail investors, we don't have that kind of money to invest in these companies. So that's another reason why Robinhood has created what you call fractional shares, the way you can trade in buy the stock at a tremendous discount, instead of having to come up with all that money to invest. You can still have a little amount and build it up over a period of time. And the stock portfolio is down right now, $338. Let's see, I'm trying to see if I have what happened to my S&P/Y. I think my S&P/Y expired today or either yesterday. I had S&P/Y in place. I don't see it like it got removed. Okay, so let's go to the ROI app and so we can get a better view of what the portfolio is doing today. Right now, its net worth this morning is $117,663. And like I said, it's always a wonderful thing to have this in your portfolio. It gives you a better measurement of what your portfolio is doing, because these apps, investment app, it does not give you the whole picture of your portfolio. And so this particular app go along with your investment portfolio. It gives you a better outlook, a better outline of actually what your portfolio is doing. So you simply sign up and then you log in. You log in the same login to the investment app portfolio that you're using. You log in with the same system as this one, ROI, and then it connects to your portfolio, and it gives you a better reading and better measurement actually what your portfolio is doing. And again, you're listening to another episode of WealthWiseGuru, and I'm your host, John Chaff. And you can also copy the trade of your favorite influencer, whether it be Warren Buffett, Nancy Pelosi, or either Congress. I love to copy the same trade as the popular Congress is doing, and that's the government. And like I said before, yes, your government does trade and invest in the market. So a lot of you all are wondering how these people actually get rich when they come to Congress, and this is how they do it, by investing in the market. So you just find your favorite influencer and click on their profile and see what they have in their profile, and you too can have that same strategies or same options in your profile as well. And Dan Melusa is a House Republican, and so let's see. This is what he have in his portfolio. He has Nvidia at 46.2%, Microsoft at 9.5%, Apple, Alphabet, Visa, Amazon, McDonald's, and so on. And like I said, you too can have these companies in your portfolio as well. And if you want to add these in your portfolio, just simply click on invest, and then you type in the amount that you want to invest, and it's already being hooked up to your app portfolio. This will automatically goes to your portfolio, and then you will have these particular then you have these particular companies in your portfolio as well. And I believe that's going to bring a close to today's video. I hope everybody has survived and done well. After that hurricane has hit Florida and come on up north to the Georgia and going on into the Carolinas. And hopefully you guys survived that, all of that water and flooding and such a horrific storm. So hopefully everybody is doing fine after that storm on last night. It's still coming up through Georgia, so Georgia will not be over in Georgia until sometime noonday. So hopefully everybody come out on top and survive that storm. This is WealthWiseGuru. I'm your host, John Schaff, and I ask you to hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button so you will know when we are doing a upload. And if nothing significantly happens again today in the market, then I think today is Thursday. I'm thinking today is Friday. So actually we have one more trading day. Let me double check. Sometimes no, day is Friday. So I guess I was right. Today is Friday. So yeah, this is the last trading day of the week. And so I guess I will see you guys again on Monday at the opening of the bell. And until then, hope you guys have a good week, a good and safe week, and a more of a happy trading day on today. And don't forget to hit the like button on your way out. Again, we thank you for watching.
Power is in the tongue. Stop saying you're tired, broke, or depressed. Instead, declare that you're energized, abundant, and filled with joy. Start expressing gratitude daily, manifesting multiple streams of income, and speaking life into yourself. Replace negativity with affirmations like, I am strong, I am thriving, I attract success, and I am at peace. Shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. The words you speak shape your reality, so choose them wisely. Speak as if you've already achieved your dreams, and watch how your life transforms.